guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, I have done this colorful eye look today. It is a very summery, warm kind of look. So I ordered some new eyeshadow palettes from a great website, that is HOK, and some of the eyeshadow palettes are from NK Makeup. And guys, these are the palettes. There are 3 different shades in this palette that I've ordered. This is Poison Apple, this is Under the Sea, and this one is Sugar Plum. So I have used these 2 in my eye makeup today, and you can see how I have done this look if you watch my video till the end. And yeah, if you are interested in knowing how I have used these beautiful shades on my eyes, then do watch my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this video was helpful for you all and you liked it, then do not forget to press that thumbs up button. And yeah, let's get started. To moisturize my face, I have taken Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. This is a great option for sensitive skin because it does not cause any breakouts or any acne issues. Now to start with my eye makeup, first I am applying this medicated tape on the corners of my eyes so that I get the correct dimension in which I have to apply my eyeshadow. For eye base, I am using PAC concealer. I am gonna apply it with the help of my wand and then mix it with the help of my fingers. To set my concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder so that the concealer is set properly and the application of eyeshadow becomes easy. So I recently ordered these 3 NK Cosmetics palette from HOK. Today I will be using only 2 of them. The palette that I am using first is Under the Sea, and all the shades in this palette are based on coral theme. I am picking up this orangish shade with my fluffy blending brush, and I'll start applying this above my crease. Now after I have satisfied with the blending of my lighter orange shade, I am picking up a more darker and warmer orange tone shade, and I will apply it all over my lid and blend both the shades seamlessly. So now I am taking the second palette. It is called Poison Apple, and I am picking up this shade from this palette and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corners of my eyes and also blend it into my crease. Now I am again using my PAC concealer to do my cut crease, and for that I am using this very thin brush and taking little product, and I will start making an outline from where I want to cut my crease. Now with the help of my flat eyeshadow brush, I am dragging the product downwards onto my lid. Now I am picking up this yellow shade from my Under the Sea palette, and I will start packing it on the area where I have done my cut crease. After packing the yellow shade, I am again going back to my fluffy blending brush and I am blending both the shades so that there are no harsh lines. I am picking up this shade from the Plum palette and using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as on my brow bone. For eyeliner, I am using PAC Gel Eyeliner, and with the help of my thin brush, I am gonna create a wing eyeliner. Now I'm using a Q-tip to clean up any fallout from the eyeshadows. Now I'm again using my Under the Sea eyeshadow palette and picking up all the same colors that I've applied on my eyes, and I will apply them in the same order on my waterline. So first I'm taking the yellow shade. Halfway I'll apply yellow and the other half I'll apply the orange shade with my flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and prepare them for the falsies. I'm applying mascara before putting my false eyelashes. After the glue has become tacky, now I'm placing the falsies on my lashes. Now I'm putting in another coat of mascara so that both my eyelashes and my falsies are merged together and look natural. For my eyebrows, I am using this spoolie brush and pack Super Brow Eyebrow Creme in shade 02 Cedar Creme. I am taking little bit product in my cap. First I am pulling the hair down with the help of my spoolie, and I will follow my natural hairline to create an outline with the help of Super Brow Creme. To fill in my brows, I am using Nykaa Take a Brow Eyebrow Filler. This is a powder product and the shade that I am using is Cocoa Raven. For foundation, I am using Faces Canada Ultime Pro in the shade 02 Skin. I am applying this generously all over my face with this flat brush, and then I am gonna blend it with the help of my beauty blender. For concealer, I am using Maybelline Age Miracle, and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes and on the center of my forehead to brighten up these areas. For contouring, I am using Makeup Revolution Foundation Stick in shade F13. If you want to know in detail how to contour your face, then click on the link on top corner to watch my video on how to contour your face. I've also mentioned the link in my description box. For blush, I am using LA Colors So Cheeky Blush and Highlight Palette, and I am picking up this light nude peachy shade for my blush today. For highlighting, I am picking up this color from the same LA Colors Blush and Highlight Palette. For lipsticks, I am gonna mix these two shades. The first is Wet n Wild Cat Suit Berry Recognize, and the other lipstick is from Color Bar. It is a pinky shade. So this is the final look. If you liked it and tried it on yourself, then let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more such makeup tutorials. This is Rajshri Sharma signing off till we meet next time. Bye bye.